Hello everyone, welcome back to John Lynn Outdoors. Today we're going to do a video on mini bikes, UTVs, electric and gas at a local Lowe's. Now guys, I do have another channel. It's my main YouTube channel. It's called Lynn's Homestead. Please check my other video out, subscribe to it, and you'll never know what you'll see done there. You see mini bikes, $7.99. Yesterday they had a sale price on it of $7.59. I think they goofed. You see log splitters. Lowe's has golf carts. Uses 6 batteries. It's got seats in the back which fold down into a deck. Pretty nice. You get a 2-year warranty. It is a Coleman. Candy is the name of the company that made it. Check out Lowes.com and you can see the specs on it. Here we got the axis, 500, 4x4. Got doors, hardtop windshield. Come in a 4-door model. They all have dump beds and they all have winches. So this one here's $89.99. So you can, for the size, tires, whether you want gas or electric. Now these come with a 2-year warranty also, and you can see the price on that. So guys, come to Lowes.com or go to your local Lowe's. If they have the rural reset, then you can get any of these. Now if you want a different color, you can order them online at Lowes.com and get any color you want in any configuration. So I'll see you next time here on John Lynn Outdoors.